Well, hello there. It seems you have stumbled upon my YouTube channel. In this channel I run a series where I invest $27.40 every day for 1 year. That'll be making $10,001 money well spent. And today I was checking the cryptocurrency prices from CoinGecko and the trending coins, and I noticed something. Let's go through them together. This one I have had in few roulettes. It could be interesting. Game AI. No clue who that is. Voxes, I think it's to some NFT game probably. Blur, no clue. Real USD, probably going to zero. Wall Street memes. It was a launch not that long ago, but not really interested. And then there is this. This has been in the list of many of the YouTube videos I watched. And I checked how has it fared so far in its entirety. And the answer is not very well. So of course this get me interested. Is this going to be good or bad? I am willing to bet that I will buy it to my portfolio. And I will win that bet. Maybe. What was it even called, mantle? Is it it's not mantra. Oh, I thought this was a big coin. Well, if I cannot win this way, then I'm going to buy the worst coin of them all. That's an easy second guess. The worst one in 7 days. Radix XRD. Okay. Well, this was good enough for, I guess, somebody. Then it's good enough for me. Here we have it. Radix, the new coin. With a quick look, minus 2%, getting to minus 12. Not even a new record. This is like a children's play. Until the next one, ta-ta.